What's to come in this vlog?
Finding you.
You're doing good. Got a little bit too aggressive. I might go around one more time, but I failed. I think I got rug burn on my knee. There ain't even no rug out there. So yeah, I don't know. I don't know, y'all.
Don't know how to skate. Go! Hey! You got it!
Look, I'm all recording. What's up, my little riders? Welcome back to the vlog, and if you're new, welcome to the vlog, okay? If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every single time I upload a video. And that's also how you become an official low rider. You guys, today I'm doctoring a migraine. I don't know why they keep coming, but a lot of people are big in migraines, and I wonder why that is. So with that being said, yesterday we went skating. I'm gonna put that in this vlog also. And I have to go to Sally's because I have to curl one of my customers' wigs. And that's it. I didn't have too much going on today because earlier today I took a migraine pill and I was knocked out. Now I have to get up and go to Sally's to get some items that I need and upload the skating vlog from yesterday. You guys, it's gonna be hilarious. It's really gonna be hilarious, okay? And I did try. I bit the dust, and yeah, I bit the dust, and I'm feeling it today. But a lot of all the grandkids had fun. So I'll be back when I get back from Sally's, or maybe I'll take you guys with me. We'll see. You guys will see. So see ya, see ya, see ya, see ya. You guys, my son said, hold on one second, my migraine wasn't going to win. I had took the migraine medicine. I had took a pill this morning and the pill afternoon, it still wasn't going away, it was still there. He said, you might just need to smoke. And I did, and guess what? It went away. No, go right. It went away, you guys. The headache went away. It went away. The headache is gone. Something about that Mary Jane. Okay, guys, headed in Sally's to get these yo-yets. That's all I need is some clips. All the way down here to get some clips. Oh yeah, it's blinging. Hi. Clips. Every time I come in here, stuff is in a different place.
It is. I'm so sorry about that.
It's okay. Clips. Here they are. Okay, this is what I need. Gosh, they don't have that many. These are 3 something. You get more in here though. I want this specific kind. They used to have a big box full of them, and they do. Wait, how many come in here? It doesn't say. But there's more than 4, so I'm gonna get 2 boxes. Wait, is this the same thing? Let's see. Nope, that's different. I'm gonna get these 2. See, he's so in a rush trying to talk to a woman. My son, he could have got a discount. Did you give her my phone number for your discount?
I was gonna give her my number.
How you get a discount? Oh my God, let me shut up.
Number is 714-510-5927.
He was gonna give her his number. Okay, son, okay.
Lola?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
What is it, a discount on that?
Yep, she got 5% off. She has the pro account.
What does that mean?
You get 5% off. That's what that means.
Cool.
That means I'm special and you're not.
Go ahead and press yes for me. That's just to do the 5%.
That's just salad.
Out of nowhere, we decided to come to Famous Days. I don't know what's the famous, that's to go. The front door. So we're here. And it's really not that hot outside. It ain't that cool either. But it's not that hot. And they got music playing. So with that being said, I'm only going to be vlogging for so long. Probably can't really hear it. I think I might have a cocktail.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's it, fire. I went one time was out
Yeah.
Alright, did we see a drink on there?
Mm-hmm.
What did we get?
I want the rum punch.
Rum punch, alright. And for you?
I don't want no drink. We'll have fun.
Oh, it's about to go down, you guys. This food is about to be so good. My migraine is gone, and I got that medicine on my stomach, and my stomach is burning, so guess what? It's about to be real good.
There's an open sliding door.
I will definitely be back when the food get back.
Yes, you can.
These up for when your wings come out.
Do not pull in a tight.
I'm gonna be curling and pin curling a 13x6 body wave wig. Thanks for watching. The wig is not styled. I'm sending this off to her new owner, and she will style it when she receives it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video, you guys. And I will see you in the next one.